Hi guys, Kevin here. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of an affordable home in Lakeville. The home is offered for sale by Twin Cities Habitat for Humanity. The buyer must meet certain income and application requirements. The seller is offering seller financing with subsidies and below market interest rate and closing cost assistance. One of the requirements is the buyer must make at most 80% of the area median income for household size and be a first-time homebuyer that hasn't owned in the last 3 years, and that the buyer has lived in the Twin Cities 7-county metro area for at least the last 12 consecutive months. Buyer must also complete a first-time homebuyer education course and occupy the residence as a primary residence. To list several of the items that have been rehabbed in this home: all the flooring is new, the trim, all the doors, windows have been replaced, appliances and cabinets. The drywall is free of blemishes and it's been freshly painted. Most every surface in this home has been touched. It really feels like a new home. This home really has the feel of a newer home. Even small details like the heat vents and electrical outlets have been replaced. Moving to the major mechanicals of the home: brand new furnace and air conditioning. The electrical panel has been upgraded and replaced. Even the plumbing pipes have been converted over to ABS plastic from iron. Even a radon mitigation system has been installed. The roof appears to be new. Gutters wrap all the way around the house with gutter helmets. It's a large corner lot and it's half fenced in. Both of the neighboring properties have fences. The concrete stoop and sidewalk appear to be newer, and the driveway is in really good shape. Here you can see that the laundry room has been moved to the main floor. Hookups are still on the lower level. This could easily be reconverted back to a closet. Main floor full bath has a pedestal sink, and stainless steel grab bars have been installed. All the interior doors are at least 36 inches wide for ADA compliance. This bathroom is quite large and you could easily add a vanity. Now let's go down to the lower level. Here you can see the brand new HVAC system and water heater, and the plumbing pipes have been converted over. This is brand new ABS. Moving over to the electrical, the panel's been all completely replaced. Here's a shot of the radon mitigation system. Ceilings are typically low. The siding's in really good shape. In the backyard is a corner lot, and it's quite flat with a southern exposure. There are a few mature trees on the property. Overall, this home's in great shape and move-in ready. This is the back southeast corner of the house, and you can see the radon mitigation pipe and the brand new high-efficiency air conditioning system. There are no egress windows on this home, but they could easily be added. You can also see the full coverage of the gutters. This house represents an incredible value. What do you think?